take out your books, page number 76. Page number 76. Past perfect continuous tense, the form is had plus BEEN been plus ing form of the root verb. Okay, so this is the past perfect continuous tense. Now this tense, just like past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense also has a specific usage. We cannot just use past perfect continuous tense just to talk about an event in the past. It talks about an event in the past where it had started in the earlier past and it was continuing in the later past when another action is happening. Suppose you were sitting in your home watching television or playing games or whatever. You have been doing that for a while in the past. You had started it in the earlier past and you were still continuing it when your say friend came. Okay, and both the actions occurred in the past. One of the action had started in the earlier past and it was still continuing, or it was continuous action which was happening when another action in the past happened. Okay, so for this situation, I had been playing board games when Nikita came to my house. So understand the specific situation for which we are going to use the past perfect continuous tense. Here it is not used for all the purposes, but it is only used to show an action that had been going on before another past action happened. Okay, for that purpose only we are going to use the past perfect continuous tense. Just remember the formula of it, remember the form of it, and remember why is it used. Okay, now come to exercise number I. You have to change all these things into the past perfect continuous tense. Can we not use past continuous tense in the sample sentence? This one, I was playing board games when Ankita. Yes, you can use, but when you are saying I was playing board games, it means that you were playing board games in that past moment when Nikita came. But what we want to convey is that you had already started playing board games, say 2 or 3 hours before, and you were still playing it. Understood? It had happened. It had started earlier. It was still continuing. Understand? This is the reason why is it used. Why? Sometimes we also use past perfect continuous tense to talk about an event which had been completed recently in the past. Okay, but this is the specific usage. Avoid using it unnecessarily. Okay, avoid using past perfect tense unless it is necessary. In your book, an exercise has been given where you are supposed to change all this into the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so let us do it. Though I feel that it is the sentences which are given in the book, they can very well be written in past continuous tense without any problem, but I think the exercise has been given to assess if you can write the past perfect tense or not, past perfect continuous tense or not. So it's a very simple, easy exercise. You don't need my help in solving this. So please solve it on your own. Solve it on your own and just check it. Okay. I'm going to be writing one. The rest of it you are going to write on your own. And if you ask me, is it necessary to use past perfect continuous tense in the given situation, I will say no, it is not necessary, because the sentence which has been given is good enough. You don't have to write it in the past perfect continuous tense. But since it is the exercise, we have to do it. So the second one will be, the police had been investigating the murder case. Likewise, complete the rest. Number 3, tell me what will it be? Number 3 will be, the old lady had been coughing. Yes. And number 4, the old lady had been coughing. Yes. Then number 4, had been writing. Correct. So you have already understood it. Come to exercise number J. Come to exercise number J, K and L. Let us complete it very fast. I think we have run out of time, have we? When does your class end? According to the schedule, at 11:50, right? So let me just take 2 or 3 minutes more and complete this chapter, because there is no need to lag with this chapter for such a long time. We have a long syllabus. We have to complete all the syllabus of term 2 also properly. But ma'am, we did not use the mentioned phrases. Which mentioned phrases? Oh, right. You're right. You have to use the phrases also. So use whatever you want. Like, the police had been investigating the murder case for a month. Correct. Anna, very good that you had noticed the entire question. I have not noticed it. So just like that, you can use any of the phrases which are mentioned and add it to the sentence. Okay. The old lady was coughing for 2 hours. Or the old lady had been coughing for 2 hours. He had been writing a novel for 3 days. Or you can write for a month, because novel writing usually requires a long period of time. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, just don't let the old lady cough for more than 2 hours. Rest of the sentences you can change it, you can write it for any phrases you want. Come to exercise J. Number 1 is past continuous tense. Number 2 is simple past tense. Number 3, past perfect continuous tense. Number 4, past perfect continuous tense. And number 5, simple past tense. Come to exercise number K. The children came out of the library and settled in an adjoining room. Settled. Number 2, the teacher held a meeting and discussed the plans for Environment Day. Number 3, Rohan was planning to participate wholeheartedly in the event. Number 4, Samira was preparing to participate in the event too. Number 5, Raghav had bought. Number 6, the teacher briefed the students about the importance of trees and told them to make posters with appropriate slogans. They pledged to save the environment. Number 8, paper bags were also ready as they had been making them for the past 2 weeks. Number 9, everybody was discussing the details when the principal walked in. Understood? All of you will be able to do it. Number L, The children were writing articles for the school magazine yesterday. Change it into negative. Just add a not with it. Okay. Number 2, my neighbors were not shifting. You can write. All these things are very easy. So exercise L, J, K and L completed on your own. And next time we are going to start a new chapter, future tense. If you have any difficulty in this chapter, ask me in the e-portal. Okay. Thank you, students. Please repeat J. J. J is very easy. Tell me J number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me all the tenses. Tell me, list out the tenses and state it to me. I think it will be very easy for you to understand. You just have to write the tense. Okay. And number K, you have to fill up the blanks using, tell me by giving number. Okay. Just write J1 and then write the answers. I've already discussed it a few minutes back. So I think you all can do it.